Hello students, this is part 1 of human digestive system. Okay students, this is part 1 of human digestive system. In this video lecture, we shall discuss about the processes that take place inside the gut. Gut is a region from the mouth to the last part. If you can see the last part, it is anus students. Okay, anus. So what are the processes that take place inside the gut? Okay friends, what are the processes that take place inside our gut? Okay, so in it, first is ingestion students. Yes, ingestion. Yes students, ingestion. So what is it? It is simply the intaking of food. Yes students, the intaking of food, obviously from mouth, is called ingestion. Okay students, ingestion. Okay students, is it clear? And the second process is digestion students. Digestion. Yes, digestion. Yes students, digestion. Carefully look to this students. Okay, this is the breaking, friends, breaking of food into simpler substances by mouth or by saliva. Okay students, saliva means the fluid that is present in our mouth. Yes students, saliva. Okay, when you eat something, you like your mouth waters. So what is it? Yes, it is saliva. It is a fluid that is present in our mouth, and through it we can taste the type of food. Okay, it is saliva students, saliva. Okay, saliva. Okay students, it is saliva. Another thing is students, these simpler substances are nothing but sugar students. Yes, sugar students, sugar. Okay, these simpler substances are nothing but sugar. Okay, sugar. More to know is saliva contains enzymes like salivary amylase that breaks the food into sugar. Okay students, sugar. Okay, let's discuss our third process students. Third. Okay, third, it is absorption. Yes, absorption students. Students, when the food is finally digested through stomach, small intestine, and it is absorbed by blood vessels in it and carried to all parts of the body, is called absorption students. Absorption. Okay, absorption. Don't be so rude, we will discuss all the topics in our next lecture. Okay, in our next lecture students. So absorption is simply absorbing of food by small intestine. Yes students, small intestine. So where is the food finally digested? Yes, in small intestine. The food is finally digested in small intestine. Absorbing of food by small intestine, and in which high amount of blood vessels are present which carries this food to different parts. Okay, students, to different parts. To different parts. Yes, students, to different parts. It is absorbing of food by small intestine in which high amount of blood vessels are present which carries this food to different parts, students. Okay, to different parts. And the fourth process is assimilation, students. Yes, assimilation. So it is a okay, assimilation. Yes, students, assimilation. It is the utilizing of energy from the given food, and, and from how the food is given by blood vessels, students, blood vessels. Okay, it is the utilizing of energy from the given food, okay, by blood vessels, sorry, by different parts. It is obviously that blood vessels do not utilize energy. Okay, energy needed for all parts, students. Okay, for all parts of the body. And the fifth and last process, and it is most simplest process, and it is egestion. Yes, students, egestion. Yes, egestion, students, egestion. It is removing, yes, students, removing of waste from our body. It is removing of waste from our body. Yes, it is removing of waste from our body, students. Okay, through anus, students, anus. It is anus, students, it is okay, it is anus. Okay, students, and it is located at the end of the large intestine. Okay, students, at the end of the large intestine. So we had completed our all processes that take place inside the gut. Okay, students, inside the gut. So
That's all in this particular video lecture. To see the next part, click the link available in the description. And like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Your Joy.